Hi everyone, it's me, Leigh with Victorian Dreams by Leigh. Hello. Today I have Happy Mail, and first, before I even start, I need to apologize because it is like 2 weeks late opening this. Um, we've had really bad rains here. We live at the lake. It's the second largest lake in Texas, and it must bring in the rain because we had 4 days of rain, and on the fourth night, um, family members got rained out of their house and they've been living with us. So we're having to deal with that, find a new place to rent because it's seeping up through the concrete. And I've had this, and our Wi-Fi went out. Then I had refugees. So this is from Emma, and I have to apologize for taking so long. But I said I am not going to open it unless I do it on video. So I'm finally doing it right now. So this is from Emma, and I did open the one in, but I haven't looked at it yet. I'm going to mess up her last name. It's Mangiafico. I know I didn't say it right. I'm not sure. But I'll put her links down below. I love her. I love her channel. She sends me text. Happy Valentine's Day. Your crafty friend, Emma. Oh my gosh. Oh, look at that. Look at that vintage Valentine card. I love that. Oh, okay. So let's just pour it out. Ooh! My birthday and Valentine's is in February, so this is so special. Uh-oh, there's more to come. Okay, so this is so sweet. Okay, so let's see. What do we start with? I guess we'll start with, I'm nervous for some reason. This doesn't happen. Okay, I have my door open and now dogs are barking outside. Oh, look. I love this little bag. Um, Let me shut my door. They're going to probably wake up the neighbors. Oh, I love this. And she probably put this trim on here. I've seen these bags before, but I haven't seen it with the button or the envelope. Isn't that so sweet? That's nice. Oh my gosh. Oh my Lord. Oh my God. Look at this. It's like a little album die tag set. Oh, this is so sweet. Oh, it's got ribbons and trims and washi tape. Can y'all see that? My lighting's pretty bad. Let me bring it up. Oh, look at that. Oh, this is so cute. You know, I don't drink tea. Well, I drink sweet tea, but I don't drink tea like that very often, except for the winter, and I love teapot and teas. You know, I collect china, any type of china. Oh, my Lord. I don't know how many sets I have of stuff and unmatched sets. Look how beautiful these tags and angels are and cherubs. And she's put trim on the bottom of each one. Oh my God, this is so beautiful. I love the idea. And each tag is different shaped and everything. I just love this idea. Oh, I want to make one of these now. I'm going to hang this right up above me when and have it to look at all the time. What inspiration. Look at this one. Oh, golly. Oh my God, that is beautiful. Isn't that a neat gift to give? Look at that. That's a cute gift. And you can just look at it and flip it over and have a different inspiration each time you look at it. That is just too cute. Okay, I want to copy that, but everything she makes, I kind of want to copy. So anyway, all right, so there's that. I have to get these little things everywhere. Okay. I wonder if she made this box. I'm going to save this. You know I'll reuse this. Okay. Oh, look at these flowers. I wonder if she dyed them herself. I like that color green. St. Patty's Day's coming too. Ooh, I like those. I don't know what kind of flowers they are, but I love the color. Oh, the pink. Ooh. Ooh, this is a cute little size bag. I'm working on something for her, but I've got probably 3 more days before I can get it out. Anyway, oh, look at that. The pink and the white little roses made out of silky. Isn't that beautiful? I can use those for sure. I can definitely use all this. This is so sweet, just out of the blue. Oh my gosh. Aw. Yep, I could be using those, and it doesn't have to be Valentine's either. I'm doing a album for my niece for a wedding, and just using a few of these will vamp it up. So yes, I can definitely use that. Oh, I love these. This is a beautiful color. Oh yes. Yes, I love those two tones. Oh my God, this is so perfect for the piano that I'm making. Look, for the piano, it is perfect. I'm fixing to use it, and the piano is for me to keep. I usually don't keep my stuff, so oh my gosh, I got something, and every time I look at the piano, I'll think of her. I'll think of you, Emma. Oh my gosh. Oh, okay, that's not going to fit back in there. I don't know how she got it in there. Oh my gosh, there's still more. Let me just untie it. I don't want to. This was so nice. I can't wait until I mail hers out too. Okay, why do I hear it moving, jingling? Are you kidding me? Oh my gosh. Did I not just say I love China? And I don't care the size. Oh my God. I am in love with this. Look at this. Oh my gosh. Oh, I'm so tickled. Oh my gosh. She gave me miniature China set. Oh, and you know, I make porcelain dolls, so I can set this on a little table, and the little dolls will be having a tea party. You know I'll do that. Look. Look at that. Oh my gosh, is it the whole set? Oh my Lord. Here's the little plates. Oh. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Does she not know me? I mean, God, we have the same taste. She sends me videos. You have to see this house video. You have to see this decor. And I'm like, yep, I want everything. Or, or I need to go find it. Where'd they buy it? Oh, it has a big plate to go with it. That's really nice. Oh my God, she knows me so well. How do you love someone that you don't even really know and meet in real life? You do, just through YouTube crafting. Uh-oh. All right, my fat fingers. Look how cute that is. Oh my Lord. Oh my gosh, when my mom watches this, she's going to say, how does she know to do that for her? Only my mom does this kind of stuff, because only my mom knows me that well. Oh my gosh. Was that not the best thing? Okay, guys. So here's my last thing, and it's kind of big, so I have no clue. All right. Oh my Lord. It's a shaker wand. Oh. And look at the back, has little cards, but let's look at the front. Can you see all the goodies and goodness? And it's on a dome and layered and layered, and now I want to make this. I think I have the sticks, but oh my gosh, this is the best. All right, if these are little cards, what are these? Is a little note? I love that pocket. Did she make that? I don't sew. So, oh my God. No, she did not give me these. Look at these. Oh my Lord. And they look vintage. Well, they are vintage, but I don't, she printed them, I think. I don't know, but I am just in love. Oh my Lord. Oh my Lord. Look at these. Oh, am I showing y'all? Am I going so fast? Oh my gosh. Well, first of all, I'm going to scan them. So I'll always have my original copy that she gave me, and then I'm ready to craft right now. I don't care if Valentine's is passed by a couple of days because I can make stuff. And oh my Lord. This is just too much. Oh my God. And have y'all seen this? Has she made a video of this? Did I comment? I don't remember. My memory's so bad. Oh my Lord. I'm in love with this. I am really in love with this. And it is big, guys. Look. Emma, I want to cry. I'm just so happy and so touched and so blessed that you're in my life. And look at all the goodies just out of the blue because she wanted to send me something. You know what? I have a secret. Thank God. Thank God I didn't mail hers out first because I would have to mail her a whole nother second one. So now I'm going to have to fill it up more just because this is just too much and too beautiful and oh my God. So I'm going to put her link down below because if I love her, I know you will love her. So go follow her, guys. I love you. Thank you so much. Have a blessed day, everybody. All my links are down below. Oh my Lord. Oh, wait till I show Johnny.